Okay guys, so the first app that we're going to be using is this Phonto app. It's the red one right here. And at the very bottom, if you hit on that camera button, it's going to pop up and you're going to choose the one that says plain image. Now I want my background black, so I'm going to choose the black one. But if you click that color button at the bottom, you can change the color. Otherwise, click the size at the top and you're going to scroll to the one that says iPhone 8 Plus and it's going to be horizontal. Now once you have that, in the top right hand corner, if you hit that box button, you can use this image and then click anywhere on the screen to add a text. So this is where you're going to put your channel name. As you guys see, I did change my channel name finally, like I mentioned in that YouTube tips that nobody shares video. I will put the link in the top right hand corner if you haven't seen that. But here we are, we're just going to choose our font and then adjust the size. And if you click the button that says move, you can go ahead and center it this way, or click that layout button to choose the center. But I didn't like this font, so I am going to go ahead and change it. And then once you got the font you want, go ahead and just save this image. Now I'm going to do this 2 more times. So I'm going to add an image. I'm going to add the first picture that I want to pop up. And once I get it adjusted to the right place, again, just going to center it to make it the right size. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to do this 2 more times. So each time I add a picture, I'm going to make sure that I save the picture. And that's what's going to give it the pop-up effect. So in total, once I get done with this, I'll have 4 different pictures. I'll have the title page, and then each time I insert a picture, I'll be saving it. So that's 4 pictures in total. If you're wondering how I got these PNGs of myself, the best thing for you to do is take pictures or use pictures that have a clear background, and then just using the app called Eraser and erasing the background so that you just have your picture. And I'm going to show you a short clip of me doing one of them right here. As you can see, the background's not too busy, so I can choose target area and I can easily just erase the background. But for any part that is not erased, you can actually use the brush to be a little bit more precise and go in and just erase those pieces. And yeah, so that's how I got the PNGs. But now that we have all of our pictures saved, we're going to open up this app called Glitchy. And this is where we're going to make all the magic happen. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to upload each picture and choose whichever glitch you want to happen. So that's what I'm doing here, just playing along with them. There's quite a few, but go ahead and just choose what you want and then save it. And then again, insert the second picture where we have the second me popping up, and then we're going to choose a glitch and then save it. And then again, for this third picture, choose a glitch and then save it. Alright, so once we have our clips, we're going to open up iMovie and import them all, starting with that title page. And then once you get this on here where it says Ken Burns disabled, if you see that your picture is kind of slightly moving, make sure that you turn the Ken Burns off and disable them. And then that'll stop it from moving, and then you can hit the magnifying glass to kind of zoom or zoom out, just to make sure that you get this centered or however you like it. And then also you can kind of cut the clips where you want it. You can adjust them, make them slower, faster, kind of play around with it in iMovie. If you need another video on how I do that specifically, I can definitely make that. But once you get that in there, you're going to go to YouTube and we're going to search green screen stars. And this is what it looks like. So once you find the stars or the effect that you're looking for, you're going to hit the share button and you're just going to copy this link. Now we're not going to take this to Safari. We're going to open this app that says Documents and look up a YouTube video downloader and paste the link and download it from here. If you download it from Safari, or if you try this from Safari, you'll notice that your link never downloads. So you have to download this app called Documents in order for this to work. And if it doesn't pop up, you can hit that downward arrow to get to this page, which is the downloads. And there it is at the very top. It is going to fully download. And then once it fully downloads and you see it in your files, I guess you can say, you're going to click those 3 dots in the corner and save this video. Now once that's saved, I'm going to do this again, but I'm going to look up green screen effects to find a subscribe button. And same thing, I'm just going to use the Documents app to download this. And then I'm going to search one last time for a YouTube beauty intro green screen. And once I find the green screen that I'm looking for, again, I'm going to be saving that with the Documents app. And I just want to get all 3 of these green screens before I go back to iMovie. That way I can save some time. Now once I have all 3 of my screens, that's when I'm going to go ahead and open up iMovie. You're going to hit this plus button in the top left hand corner and choose where it says More. And that's where you'll find the green screen effect. So click where it says green screen, and then you're going to add your movie or add your green screen that we just chose. Now you're gonna kind of have to play with that clip to cut it where you want to cut it. But as you see here, I have that effect and then it goes right into the stars. And I added those both by choosing the green screen effect and just cut them how I wanted. Now this last one that we're gonna add is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna hit the plus sign, choose the file that we want, and we're just going to choose Add to Movie rather than choosing the More button. And that's going to put it directly on the side of our movie. And then again, we're just going to scroll through, because again, this is a full video, and find the effect that you're wanting, which I'm okay with this smoke black screen. And where you want the effect to start is where you're going to split the screen or split the clip. And then you're just going to delete all of the excess clip off, if that makes sense. So split it where you want it, cut it, and then delete the excess. And it should look something like this when you're done. So guys, that's pretty much it. What you see me doing here is just making sure that those tracks are muted, all of the green screens, because it is a video. Therefore, there are sounds. So definitely mute those, and then you're just going to save this video as your YouTube intro and export it. That way, anytime that you need it, all that you have to do is simply go ahead and add that file to your new movie. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your YouTube friends. And yeah, thanks for watching.